Okay. What is going on, boys? Quick little trade recap and strat kind of update, I guess, from just, things that we've been doing. I got Habibi here as well. Yesterday, we were in a trade for a long-ass fucking time. Ended up closing the whole thing at first TP. Yeah, because that shit, it was going on for so long. As you can see here, this is the 5-minute time frame. Market closed right here. I ended up getting out right here fully, but we'll go over that. First, Habibi, if you want to look at my screen.
Actually, yeah, can I just watch your screen?
Yeah, can you see? But look, is this a setup that we probably would have taken today? Right here.
Oh, yep, that's the exact one I saw.
Yep.
Stopped out first
Second TP, stopped out first TP. So that actually would have been a good trade. But obviously, that would have been a good trade. But we were not trading today or tomorrow because of Powell speaking at 10 a.m. And it's annoying that it's tomorrow as well, but whatever. I guess we get the day off. So pretty much the strat, how we've been doing it is we added these. So this is the 15-minute chart here on the right-hand side, and we have these EMAs. We have the 50 EMA, which is this green one, the 21 EMA right here. And pretty much what we're looking for is to always play in the direction of this trend and also only play longs if we're significantly kind of above them, or shorts if we're kind of significantly below them. And what we found when we were testing is that a lot of times where we were getting stopped out or just wicked out or just getting stuck in chop, it would be around times that we were kind of, closer to the EMAs. So in order to kind of limit our losses to either getting wicked out or just getting caught up in so much chop, we started to do that and we tested it and it worked really well. So going back to just replay this day right here, I have our session marked out from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., which is when we look for our last trade. We only took one trade yesterday. We're looking to take 2 per day if the setup presents itself. But in this case, we were only able to get 1. So anyway, market opens. We have a bullish bias because as you can see here on the right-hand side, we are well above these EMAs right here. As you can see, we're also clearly in an uptrend, as you can see, and we are bullish. So we're looking for longs. We're going to wait till 9:45 candle close to get our entry. And we actually get it right here. That's a very bullish candle. You can see, bottom wick, barely any top wick, pretty big body. Also coming off of this little bit of a pullback, just big momentum up, kind of closed above this zone right here. You can see how far above here, above the EMA we are on the 15-minute chart. Also 15-minute close, very bullish as well, as you can see here. So we took that. Stop loss right below this low down here. Nearly got stopped out. I think we came, 8 points away from getting stopped out pretty much. But we stayed in this thing. So also another thing we changed, guys, is we changed our TPs basically to just be a 1-to-1. First TP. Second TP is a 2-to-1. Third TP is a 3-to-1 from our stop loss. So our stop loss, so we use the Fibonacci just to quickly mark it out. But technically, if you wanted to, you could just enter, find your stop loss, and then just go okay, 1-to-1's right here, 2-to-1 is right here, and then 3-to-1 or full TP is right there. It's a lot easier if you just take your Fibonacci and check off the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0. Obviously, would be your stop loss. So that's what we did. Anyway, first TP hit pretty quickly in 20 minutes. And I'm just going to just look at this, guys. Holy shit. I was in this the whole time. I'm literally going to tell you guys what I was doing during the day. Okay. So I got off right here. I actually got off my computer right here. Right here, I was at Walmart getting some groceries. Right here, I was at Chick-fil-A getting some lunch. Right. Maybe another 20 minutes ago. But right here, I got home, made myself some, unloaded all my groceries and shit. Right here, I'm at the gym. Actually, maybe scroll a little bit further. Right here, I'm at the gym, or I'm getting ready to go to the gym. Long story short, dude, my whole fucking day pretty much played out while I was in this trade, and I just had my orders set. Stop loss was right here after hitting that first TP. Second TP was right here, and then you can see we just chopped. Right here around 3 o'clock. Yeah, right here, I got all at a break even, 3:30, 30 minutes before market close, because I said, all right, you know what, I'm done fucking having this shit open. So I you did that.
We did that.
Yeah, it was, because it actually would have ended up. Market closed at 4 p.m. right here, so we probably would have got out right here. So we got a little bit of a better fill than we would have. But if we swung this thing, which I don't even think you're allowed to do on funded accounts that I trade on, it would have got stopped break even. But great trade overall. I made $1,100 on that trade overall, which is, that's a great dub. Great way to kind of go with this strat. Apex just dropped a sale, so what I'm thinking of doing is upping my position size to a 20 contract. So I entered this on my 50K account with 10 micros. Now that's like one mini with a fucking 55 point stop loss. That's kind of ballsy. I'm not going to lie. Like, I wouldn't recommend that you guys do that. I definitely am willing to admit that I was kind of taking a risk on this by doing that, and I wouldn't recommend you guys sizing that big. But the way that we tested the strat, you kind of have to, like, in order for it to trim properly, because I got in with 10 micros. I took off 4 here. I was planning to take off 4 here and then my last 2 here. If I can't really trim like that if I only have like 3 micros, which is what would make more sense for having a 60 point stop loss on a 50K account.
Yeah.
So it just makes more sense for me to trade this way, and then hopefully I can build up my accounts to the point where I have enough drawdown to play like that. But Apex just dropped at 80% off sale. So I think come Thursday, I'm going to cop some accounts. I'll show you guys real quick the trade that we would have taken today. I think that Habibi, I think we should really do a strat video on this because a lot of people have been asking for it, like a specific one. I know we haven't really made a specific strat video.
No, we haven't.
So I think we should because a lot of people have been asking, but it's very
easy. It's
very easy, bro. So obviously I'm just going to go over quickly the trade we would have taken today, but we didn't just because of news. So 9-4. Okay, so we're looking for a long setup right here. Obviously you can see right here, we are bullish on the 15-minute over here on this side. So we're looking for a long setup and nothing. Yeah, right here. Yep. So this is 5 minutes after Powell started speaking. So obviously I'm not going to fucking take that just because it's just very risky. Stop loss right there at that low. As you can see, we are well above this EMA. We also came up and closed on the 15-minute above these highs right here if you want to, consider that as well. Just very bullish, well above our EMA. You can see like this whole candle right here, even all the way down to the bottom of the wick, it was above both EMAs, which is what we're really looking for. So we would have gotten this. This would have been about a 35-point stop loss, so not too big of a trade. First TP, second TP, stopped out at first TP. So that would have been a great trade, but obviously, like I keep saying, just sat out that one today and get to sit out tomorrow. I'll still look tomorrow and see if there's a trade, but I'll just to see because I'm curious, but I won't take anything just like today. So we're up good on the week from that first trade yesterday, 3-day trading week. Hopefully Thursday and Friday we can, get a good setup as well, but that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm loving the strat a lot. The way that I've been backtesting it every night with Habibi has been very, very good. So, yeah, sorry, that was kind of a yap fest by me. I have Habibi on the mic here. I know.
Well, I liked it. You're explaining everything pretty well, but yeah, definitely got to make a vid on this strat soon.
No, I know a lot of y'all been asking, like, bro, Habibi, I'm gonna keep it a buck, bro. This man literally taught me this shit one-on-one for like hours, and we back tested it, and like, bro, I'm hooked. Like, I love it. I love how confident I am in it. Like, I have never. I don't like to trade on the big time frames. There is no, like, I never would have thought that I would have been able to just have my order set and be going about my day. Like, I literally went grocery shopping, went to the gym, and went to Chick-fil-A this whole time while I was in this trade, and I just had my order set, and I was just chilling. Like, the whole, anytime before, I would have been freaking out. So it's just having that confidence in your setup is, like, really, really good, I feel like. And I really like how this works, so. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. So a quick little recap of yesterday. If you guys traded today and lost money, you're retarded, respectfully. And I saw a lot of people in the Discord trading, and sorry guys, what the fuck are you doing? Cause like, come on, you're better than that. Like, come on. Same with tomorrow. Just don't do it, bro. Like, it's literally like 2 days out of the fucking month that this shit happens, and you guys like are really this hungry for the trade. I mean, come on, bro. Just go to the fucking gym or like fucking watch YouTube.
I'm not glad I didn't open the chart once today. I just opened.
No, neither did I. I looked at like 11 o'clock and I saw, we would have got a setup there. It actually would have hit, but whatever. I'm not like mad at that I didn't take it.
Yeah.
So.
Better safe than sorry.
But yeah, boys, that's pretty much it from me. I will see you all on Thursday for another recap if we do take a trade, or I'll see you in the Discord. Make sure to follow the podcast. New episode probably dropping tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, because I think we're going to record it today and then upload it tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to the podcast. subscribe or follow me on, socials and shit. That will, and Habibi as well. I'll have everything in the description as usual. Love you guys so much. Yeah, peace out.